Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Ears.
Hey there! Great to have you with us again.
I'm Monica.
And I'm Jack.
Today we're talking about something really fun,
We're learning how to make friends in English.
because friends make life better.
And speaking English with friends is one of the best ways to learn.
You don't need perfect English to make friends.
Yeah, just be friendly, be yourself, and use these tips.
We have 4 parts today.
First, starting a friendly conversation.
Second, finding common interests.
Third, making plans to meet again.
And fourth, staying in touch.
All right, let's make some friends.
Part 1, starting a friendly conversation.
This is different from formal introductions.
With friends, we're more casual and relaxed.
Here are some great conversation starters.
Hey, how's it going?
Hi, what's up?
Hey, long time no see.
Hi there, how have you been?
Notice this. These are casual, not formal.
We don't say, how do you do, to friends.
That sounds way too serious.
Here are some more casual openers.
Nice weather today, isn't it?
I love your shoes. Where did you get them?
Is this seat taken?
That book looks interesting. What's it about?
These are called small talk.
Small talk is light, easy conversation.
Here are some good topics for small talk.
Weather, clothes, surroundings, or what you're doing right now.
Compliments are great too. I like your bag. Cool phone.
But avoid these topics when you first meet someone.
Money, politics, religion, age, or weight.
These can feel uncomfortable or too personal.
Keep it light and positive at first.
Let's practice some casual openings.
I'll be at a cafe. You start the conversation.
Hey, is anyone sitting here?
No, go ahead. Please sit.
Thanks, I love this cafe. The coffee is amazing.
Right? I come here all the time.
Oh, cool. What do you usually order?
I always get the caramel latte. It's the best.
I'll have to try that next time.
See? That's how easy it is.
We started with a simple question.
Then we found something in common. We both like the cafe.
Now, part 2, finding common interests.
This is the key to making friends.
Find things you both enjoy.
Here's how to discover common interests.
What do you do for fun?
Do you have any hobbies?
What kind of music do you like?
What kind of TV shows do you watch?
Are you into sports?
When you find something in common, explore it.
You like hiking? Me too. Where do you usually go?
You watch that show? That's my favorite.
You play guitar? That's awesome. How long have you been playing?
Use follow-up questions.
This shows you're really interested.
And it keeps the conversation going.
Let's practice finding common ground.
So, what do you like to do on weekends?
Well, I usually play basketball with friends. How about you?
Oh, I love sports too. I play volleyball.
Nice. How long have you been playing?
About 3 years. It's so much fun.
Yeah, team sports are the best.
Maybe we could play together sometime.
That would be great.
Perfect. We found common ground. We both love sports.
Then we explored it with questions.
Then we even suggested meeting up.
Speaking of that, part 3, making plans to meet again.
This is how casual friends become real friends.
If you want to see someone again, suggest it.
Here are some casual ways to make plans.
We should hang out sometime.
Do you want to grab coffee this week?
Are you free this weekend? We could...
Let's do something fun together.
How about we meet at the park on Saturday?
Some of these are vague, some are specific.
Start vague. We should hang out.
If they say yes, get specific.
How about Saturday at 2?
Here are some helpful phrases. Are you interested in?
Would you like to?
Do you want to join me for?
I'm going to. Want to come?
Don't be afraid to suggest plans.
Most people are happy someone asked.
Let me show you a short example.
This conversation was really fun.
Yeah, I enjoyed talking with you.
Hey, we should hang out sometime.
I'd love that. What do you like to do?
Let me think. Maybe we could check out that new museum.
Oh, I've been wanting to go there.
Are you free on Sunday afternoon?
Let me think. Yes, Sunday works.
Perfect. How about 2 p.m.?
Sounds great. Should we meet there?
Yeah, I'll see you at the entrance at 2.
Awesome. I'm really looking forward to it.
See? That's how you make plans.
We both showed interest.
We suggested an activity,
We agreed on a time and place.
and we both felt good about it.
Now, part 4, staying in touch.
After you meet, you need to stay connected.
Here's how to keep the friendship going.
First, exchange contact information.
Hey, let's exchange numbers.
Are you on Instagram? Let's follow each other.
What's your WhatsApp?
Can I add you on Facebook?
After you exchange contacts, use them.
Don't just collect numbers, actually message them.
Hey, it was great meeting you today.
Thanks for hanging out. Let's do it again.
Hope you got home safe.
That was so much fun. We should definitely meet up again.
Keep conversations going.
Share things they might like.
Hey, I saw the movie you recommended. It was great.
There's a concert this Friday. Want to go?
How was your exam?
Thinking of you. Hope you're having a good week.
But don't be too pushy.
If someone doesn't respond, give them space.
Everyone is busy sometimes.
A real friend understands.
Try to make regular plans.
Want to make this a regular thing?
Let's meet for coffee every Friday.
We should have a movie night once a month.
Regular activities build strong friendships.
Let's practice the whole process.
From meeting to becoming friends.
Imagine we're at a book club.
Hi, is this your first time here?
Yeah, I'm a bit nervous.
Oh, don't be. Everyone is really nice. I'm Monica.
I'm Jack. Nice to meet you.
What kind of books do you like?
I love mystery novels. How about you?
Me too. That's why I joined this club.
Really? What's your favorite mystery book?
Probably The Girl on the Train. Have you read it?
Yes, it's amazing. The plot twist was incredible.
Right? I didn't see it coming.
We should totally talk about mystery books more.
I'd love that. Do you want to grab coffee after this?
That sounds great.
There's a cafe around the corner.
Perfect. And hey, can I get your number?
Sure. Let me give you my WhatsApp.
Awesome. I'll message you this week.
Looking forward to it.
And that's how friendships start.
We used small talk.
We found common interests.
We made immediate plans.
And we exchanged contacts.
Now you try. This week, talk to someone new.
At school, at work, at a cafe, anywhere.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Just be friendly and genuine.
Remember, everyone wants to make friends.
Most people are just as nervous as you.
A smile and hi can start a friendship.
You never know who you'll meet.
Let's review the key tips.
Use casual, friendly greetings.
Find common interests through questions.
Suggest plans if you want to meet again.
Exchange contacts and stay in touch.
And most importantly, be yourself.
Real friends like you for who you are, not for perfect English.
Thank you for watching Easy English Ears.
We hope this helps you make amazing friends.
Hey, Monica, what's our next episode?
How about English at a restaurant?
Perfect. Everyone needs to know how to order food.
So subscribe for episode 5.
Comment below. Have you made a friend through English?
Tell us your story. We love hearing from you.
Thank you so much.
This is Monica.
And Jack.
See you next time on Easy English Ears.
Bye, everyone.
Go make some friends. You've got this.